Today, I would like to introduce to you the dust monitoring system for photovoltaic power stations. During the daily operation of the photovoltaic power station, the surface of the solar panels is highly susceptible to the influence of environmental factors. Dust and sand particles and other pollutants will continuously accumulate on the surface of the board. The traditional manual inspection method is highly inefficient. The dust monitoring system for photovoltaic power stations adopts the advanced OMBP technology, which can monitor the dust accumulation on the photovoltaic panels in real time and with high accuracy. Through this system, power station managers can promptly obtain information on power generation losses and receive cleaning reminders when the accumulated dust reaches a certain level. This innovative solution not only significantly improves the power generation efficiency of photovoltaic power stations, but also has the advantage of simple installation and maintenance, providing strong support for the intelligent and efficient operation of photovoltaic power stations.